Hello guys, let's prove this stuff. We start from the sine of A times the sine of B. This is minus a half of cosine A plus B minus cosine A minus B. Let's evaluate sine A times the sine of 60 degrees minus A times the sine of 60 degrees plus A. Here is sine A. Let's apply this formula. We have minus a half of cosine this plus this. Here is 60 degrees minus A plus 60 degrees plus A. Then minus the cosine of 60 degrees minus A. Because we are going to negate here, this is minus 60 degrees positive A. What is this? Sorry, is minus. Now we have sine A times minus half of, here is, you see, this A and this one will cancel one another to stay with cosine of 120 degrees minus, here is this angle and this one will cancel one another. We have cosine of minus 2A, and this is the same as the sine of A times minus 1 into the cosine of 120 is minus a half minus the cosine of a negative angle is the same as the cosine of positive. This is cosine of 2A. Okay, let's hope everything here is clear. Now we have sine A times, taking this minus half times this minus half is 1 over 4. This minus half times the minus cosine of 2A, this is plus a half of cosine 2A. Okay, multiplying this sine A inside here, we have 1 over 4 times the sine of A plus a half of sine A, this multiplying this cosine 2A. What do we know? We know what? We know that, let's write it here, sine A cosine B, this is a half of sine A plus B plus sine of A minus B, and this is gonna be 1 over 4 times sine A as here plus a half of the transformation of this using this formula. This is times a half of the sine of this. We have sine A plus 2A, this is 3A. Okay, now plus the sine of A minus 2A, this is minus A. Okay, let's hope this is clear. Now we have 1 over 4 times the sine of A plus this times this is 1 over 4. 1 over 4 times this is 1 over 4 sine 3A. This 1 over 4 times this, remember this it will be minus sine A, so we have minus 1 over 4 times the sine of A. So what you have, this will cancel with this, and the answer will be 1 over 4 times the sine of 3A. Here is the proof, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Before leaving, I want you to subscribe. Your share is very important.